Hi guys, welcome to another series of morning food. On today's series, I'll be sharing with you how to make moin and how to wrap your moin leaves perfectly. So, firstly, I soaked my beans in hot water and cold water for about 5 minutes. And I added hot water, I added cold water, and I washed it with this okra grater. By the time you wash it and rinse the water for about 2 to 3 times, it gets peeled easily, and you rinse it for about 2 to 3 times, the beans will be well cleaned. By the time you rinse it 2 to 3 times, it's cleaned already, and I'll be adding my scotch bonnet pepper and habanero pepper with onions. I'll take it out of the water to avoid sound or stone. I'll add my crayfish and blend it. After blending, I'll be using this egg fish, this leaf. I added vegetable oil, salt, chicken cubes, nutmeg, fish stock, and I stirred it gently. Stir very well till you have everything well incorporated. After that, I will be making my leaves. I remove this stick just to make the turning easily. Place your leaves on 90 degree on each other and wrap the end 1 2. Wrap the end 1 2 on each other, then you get it perfectly. So I'm putting in inside the leaves, and I'll be adding my egg and fish and cover it up a little. Don't fill the leaves up to avoid it being pouring out. So after then, I'll be making another one. I remove this stick just to make it easy for the wrapping. Place it on 90 degree on each other and wrap the end 1 2 like that. Then you put it in. So you keep trying till you get it perfectly. It's not something you get in a day once you try it, but by the time you try it 2 to 3 times, I believe you get it perfectly. So this is what I have after trying. So I'll be making this last one. Remove the stick and place on each other and unite it. Then turn 1 2 and turn. It's easy. So to know if your meme is well cooked, you have to cook for about 40 to 45 minutes, and the leaf will change completely from green to another color. That is when you will know your meme is well cooked. So I'll be cooking the moimoi now. I'll place it inside the pot and add water. Use the rest of the leaf to cover. What moimoi leaves need is heat, not too much water. So the moimoi is cooked here, and I will be tasting it. This moimoi is very, very delicious. You have to taste it. If you find this video interesting, please like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.